This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable reading mode on the Google Chrome web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Chrome here. I have the Google Chrome web browser opened up now. To enable or disable reading mode, the way to enable it, you want to go to a text-heavy article. You want to right-click anywhere within that article, and then you'll go to where it says Open in Reading Mode. Right up here, Open in Reading Mode. I'm going to click on that. And what this does, it eliminates basically everything except for the article that you're trying to read. It eliminates ads, videos, and side images, all that stuff. And up here in the upper right-hand corner, it has a audio thing where you could play the audio from the article. You can adjust the speed in which that article is being read to you. Off to the right here, you have text. I can click on that. I can enlarge the text. I can make it smaller. Off to the right here, you have a settings icon. You can go through the settings here to see what's in here. And then off to the right of that, it has a little X that you can close reading mode. I'm going to click on the X. That is how to enable or disable reading mode on the Google Chrome web browser. Thanks for watching.